Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to download or install Fitnotes-gym workout log application on your mobile device. For this, what you need to do is guys, just open up your app store or your play store. Bring up the search bar and type in Fitnotes-gym workout log and hit the search bar. Now over here you can see the Fitnotes-gym workout application on your screen. Just click on that application. Now from here you can install this application by clicking on install button. It might take a while to install depending upon your internet connection. Wait for it. See, the application has been installed. Now guys, stay motivated, track progress and cross your fitness goal with the Fitnotes-gym workout log application. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.